Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the "No JVM could be found on your system" error in SKlauncher. I recently downloaded SKlauncher, but when I tried to open the application, I encountered this error. This issue usually indicates that the Java Virtual Machine, JVM, is either not installed or not properly configured, which can prevent Java-based applications from running. First, let's check if Java is installed on your system. Open the command prompt by pressing Windows R, typing cmd, and hitting Enter. Then, type Java version and press Enter. If Java is installed, you'll see version information. If not, you'll see an error message saying Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program, or batch file. If Java isn't installed, you'll need to download and install it. Open your browser and search for Java for Windows. Click on the official Java download page link, which I'll include in the description below. On the Java download page, go to the Windows section, click on the Windows Offline 64-bit button, and save the file to your preferred location. Next, find the downloaded Java executable file and double-click it to start the installation. If you see a pop-up asking, "Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device?" Click Yes. Then click Install to begin the installation process. Once it's finished, click Close. To ensure the changes take effect, refresh your Windows screen or restart your computer if necessary. This will help apply all the settings correctly. Finally, to verify that everything is set up properly, open SKlauncher. The application should now open without any errors. That's it. You should now be able to run Java applications without encountering the "No JVM could be found" error. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.